Hi all. Let me introduce one task for you. Can you measure 100 gram of weight using a scale along with a string? I am repeating the question. Can you measure 100 gram of weight using a scale and a string? No more object are given. Only the scale and a string. I just simplify the question. Now I am giving a scale, string and a standard weight of 100 gram. Now can you measure another object using these three things? That object should have a mass of 100 gram. Now it's very simple. Someone already get the idea. We can use the concept of balance. So you have to make a balance using a scale and these strings. So now I arrange them as a form of balance. Then from 25 centimeter at equal distances. Okay, here you can see the reading on the scale given standard weight, and at the same distance here also 23 centimeter from center of gravity to end point, that is also 23 centimeter, and I arrange by adding some water such a way that the scale become horizontal. Now it is the simple basic concept of balance to measure the weight, but the problem is you need a standard of reference. Then only you will get the same amount of mass at the opposite end. Now let us check whether this method is accurate. So I am using a digital weight measuring device. The given weight is 106 gram. So you may think this method is not accurate, but the problem is the given standard mass, that is not 100 gram, which is 105 gram. That's why the water bottle which shows a weight of 106 gram, almost nearly equal. Okay, here standard of mass which is given is only 105 gram, but we have to measure a more mass, nearly 200 gram. So what we have to do, we can adjust the length. The product M2 into R2 should be equal to M1 into R1. If I have to measure more mass M1 here, I have to reduce the distance R1. Then only the product M1 into R1 remains same as that of earlier. So I have to reduce the separation. So I am just moving the thread which is close to center of gravity. Or we can calculate the separation required. Here the distance R2 is 23 centimeter and the given mass M2 which is 105 gram. So the product 105 into 23 centimeter should be equal to the mass required, which is 200 gram into the separation R1. So that distance is calculated such that if the mass here is 200 gram, then the length should be nearly 12 centimeter. So from center of gravity to M1, the separation is 12 centimeter. So I set the distance as 12 centimeter. Now I am trying to balance the masses. Okay, so I have to add some water. I'm adding some water. It is almost balanced. Still, I have to add some more water. Okay, so it is balanced. Now you can see that the measured weight is 200 gram itself. Even though we don't have a standard weight of 200 gram, now you are able to measure an object of mass 200 gram by adjusting the separation. That is the concept of moment bar. I am giving one more idea. Using the given standard of mass, I am measuring the weight of scale. Using the same given mass, 105 gram, can you measure the weight of this scale? Okay, let me introduce that idea. Here, the scale which is of 50 centimeter and the shape of the scale which is almost uniform. Okay, the mass distribution is almost uniform. So the center of mass or center of gravity, which is same here, which is at 25 centimeter itself. Now I am trying to balance the scale by adjusting the position of the string, which is at 25 centimeter. So I am moving the string close to the standard of mass. Here, the given standard of mass is attached at 1 centimeter on the scale. Okay, now the scale is balanced. Here, the separation between the balancing point and the given mass, standard mass, which is of 105 gram, that can be measured. Now you can see that the scale is balanced at a distance of 10.2 centimeter and the standard mass is at 1 centimeter. So this separation is 9.2 centimeter and the separation to 25 centimeter, where the mass M2, which is the mass of scale, which is located at the center of gravity 25 centimeter. So that separation is 25 minus 10.2 centimeter. So 14.8 centimeter. We get the mass of scale is almost 65.7 centimeter. We can check it. Now we can analyze how the scale and the string can be used to find the mass of a unknown body. Now you can find the mass of this bottle by balancing the bottle. It is balanced. The scale is suspended at, you can see that the point of suspension is 6.9 centimeter. Here 6.9 centimeter and here it is 1 centimeter. So the separation between point of suspension to this mass, which is 5.9 centimeter, and the separation to the center of mass of the scale, which is located at 25 centimeter from the point of suspension, that is 25 minus 6.9. So it is 18.1 centimeter. So we can find the mass of this bottle, 65.27 into the length 18.1 divided by this separation 5.9 centimeter, and it is calculated and it is found to be 200 gram. Now we can check mass of bottle. To not 2 gram itself. So it's very close. Now you get the answer for the first question, that is using a scale and a string can we find the mass of an object. Yes, we can find the mass of an object. The only condition is we need to know the mass of scale also. But we have another idea without knowing the mass of scale. That is, we have to make some standard marking on the same scale. That is, if the string is held here and it is balanced, it is 200 gram. So I have to put a mark here using a pen. So that mark will be the balancing point for 200 gram. In the same manner, I have to put some marking, standard of marking. So using that marking, you can find the mass of object for the corresponding marking by balancing the string at that point. Okay. Now I am introducing an ancient weight measuring device used in Kerala. That is known as Vellikol or Karanjikol. They are using the same principle of balancing, the principle of moment bar. This is the device which I introduced. It is known as Vellikol. Velli means silver. Kol means a stick. So Vellikol means a silver stick. Actually, the device is made in silver. This device, it is not of silver. It's made up of wood. And to measure more weight, they introduce some iron ring at some point. And the shape of the stick, that is such a way that the center of mass is almost nearly at this point. We can check where it is balanced. Okay, when the string is here, it is balanced. When the string is here, it is balanced. So the center of mass is almost at this point. So by suspending some mass here, we can measure the mass of that object. The same principle that I used in scale. Here, they already marked some marking. Okay, you can see it. The marking here. Okay. Like this. We have some marking. Here also. Here. Then here. All these markings are some reference line. If the string is balanced at this marking, that means the weight is this much. They have a standard of calculation like that. Here, in this device, the first marking is of 120 gram. 120 gram. Why they are using 120 gram as the first measurement? I already said that we have one more device that is known as Karanjikol. That is actually a small rod, and that can be measured from 4 gram to 120 gram. The first measurement in that device, the same method itself, the first reading on that device is 4 gram. This device is got from an Ayurvedic shop. In ancient Ayurvedic shop, the medicine that are given of the order of 4 grams. There is 4 gram, then 8 gram, then 12 gram, like that. So in that device, they can measure a range of 4 gram to 120 gram. So the next higher measurement that can be measured can be using this device. So that first measurement is 120 gram. Then the next reading is 240. Then 360. That is of the order of 120 gram. Like that. And up to this level. This is the range of 120, 120, 240, 360, 480. Like that. Then from here onwards, they have the standard of marking of kilogram. 1 kilogram, 1.5 kilogram, 2 kilogram, like that. So we can check. We can check the measurement, how they are measured using this. Okay, the balancing point is fixed at 120 gram. Suspending the water bottle here. Now you can see that in this Vellikol, when the balancing point is fixed at the first marking, that is for 120 gram. I arrange the amount of water such a way that this rod is balanced. Now we can check whether the mass of this bottle is 120 gram itself. gram itself. In ancient Kerala, the farmers also, they are using the same vellikal to measure the weight of their crops. Now we can check the weight of this elephant foot yam using vellikal. I have to suspend it. Now we can adjust the point of suspension such a way that the vellikal become horizontal. Okay. So this is almost horizontal at this line. This is the line of 2.5 kg, but it is slightly less. So I have to put a small piece of yarn here also, such a way that it is clearly balanced at 2.5 kg. So this is balanced at the marking of 2.5 kg. Now I am checking the weight digitally. It is clear that the weight is 2516 gram. That is nearly 2.5 kilogram itself. You can check the marking also here. This is the marking of 1 kilogram, then 1.5 kilogram, 2 kilogram. This is the marking of 2.5 kg. This is an ancient Ayurvedic shop. Here I am introducing the device Karanji code. This can measure weight from 4 kilogram onwards. So we can check this. Here also the device have some marking. You can see this. This is the first balancing point. We can check whether it is balanced at the same mark itself. Yes, it is balancing at the same marking point, 0 itself. So the device is ready to use. It's accurate. The next line is for the balancing of 4 gram. Now we can measure 4 gram of raisin using this Karanji code. Okay. So I set the balancing at a 4 gram marking. Then I'm adding some raisin. Now we can check whether it is balanced or not. Okay, yes, it is balanced at the marking of 4 gram. Okay, you can see that. I'm not an expert in using this. Okay, yes, it is balanced. We can check the weight using a digital device. It is exactly 4 gram itself. In ancient Kerala, Even the weight of gold is also measured using the same device. We can check that. We can measure the weight of these 3 rings, gold rings. Now I am trying to balance it. Okay, so the rod is balanced. We can check the balancing point. Here it is 0, 4 gram, 8 gram. The next line is 12 gram. Okay, so the weight of these 3 rings, the total weight is 12 gram. Okay, we can check the same using a digital device. It is exactly 12 gram itself.